Hey, good morning, fourth grade. Happy second week of school. We hope you're excited of what's going on and getting a chance to get outside on those beautiful weekends that we've had so far. And here's what we're going to be doing this week. We just finished with some catch and throw in fourth grade, but I still want you guys to be able to show me what you can do with your catching and throwing. And so what I've got here is a fourth grade football catch and throw skill card. And basically, Mr. Haugen came up with this, my student teacher. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to read through this and you're going to look at the different highlights the student can successfully hit a target. When we're saying target, find something that you can throw at that's safe, obviously, of course. And if you get 5 out of 4 or 5, that would be a success rate. Put an X right here. I will send you the skill card as well. 3 out of 2, which is right, and 1, we're just working on that. So make sure you're throwing with the opposite foot forward. The arm is up. You're following through. You're showing that proper grip on each of the throws. Student steps with the opposite foot. So not only are you trying to figure out what your score is, you're also showing what that mechanics looks like as well. Student shows proper catch technique on each other. And then here are a few of those reminders. Gripping the ball under, thumb under the ball, fingers across the laces. Step with your opposite foot. Keep your eye on the target. Practice, practice, practice. So we want to see how you guys do at home. And again, if you don't have a football, you can certainly use any type of ball. Catching, keeping the hands out in front of the body, eyes on the ball, trying to catch with your fingertips. Work short to distance. I like that one, as you can see that in a second. Show your target to the thrower. I want to show you a little video of what it's looking like in my class, because Mr. Haugen is teaching. I taught this lesson, and he's going to show you how to play pass for points. So if you have a friend at home, a family member, take a look at this for a little bit. So basically what he's saying is he's got some cones set up, and he's going to throw to a cone, a zone, either 1 point, 2 points, or 3 point. Looks like Grant's going to the 2-point zone. He's going to try to catch. He gets 2 points. He runs it back to his team, and he's going to continue on with that game. So that's what we were doing a little bit last week. We'll show you a little bit of action as we go on this week, where we're doing some kicking and punting. We'll send you that as soon as we can. So getting that football and kicking and punting will lead right into our soccer, which we'll be doing a little bit later this week. Have a great week. I'll send you a couple more items. And again, do your best.